I'm really starting this video looking like somebody's mom. But hey! Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I have plans on doing this shortcut. I will go ahead and let the process to up till this point play. Yeah, I guess we'll just see how this turns out.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
I just had to let y'all know real quick before we even hop into anything, I am not a professional stylist. I have never cut hair like this ever before in my life. I probably did a lot of things wrong, and you know what? That's okay because this is why I'm telling y'all right now. And this ain't my forte, you feel me? All I did was follow along Malibu Dollface's videos, and you know him, iconic, the wig guru, like was doing wig videos before wig videos was cool. All respect to him, for real. So if you're looking to actually learn how to cut a wig like this, do not listen to anything I'm about to say or anything I'm about to do because I fucked up, you know, like just I'm showing y'all what I did because I feel like that's courteous, but it would be wrong of me to be like, just follow me step by step because bitch, don't do that, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and link Malibu Dollface's video in the description box because I ain't got shit to say to y'all because even off rip, I started off with my part on the wrong damn side. I started off rip with my part on the wrong side. That's how everything just, you know, it came together, but Malibu Dollface is going to really get y'all together. I'm just trying my hardest to follow the steps that he said and to do. I'm going to let y'all watch me do this, but realistically, would I recommend that you do this too? No. I used terrible scissors. My cutting was very sporadic. I just be feeling like I know how to do stuff, you feel me, without even thinking about it. And I guess it turned out pretty okay. So if you want to look at this and think that you could maybe possibly do something, you know, okay, enough self-deprecation. Now that I've gotten the point across to y'all that I don't know how to cut hair, let's talk about what I did. But please go check out his video if you really are trying to learn. I ain't gonna teach you, baby. I really don't got shit to say to you. But anyway, let's talk about what I did do. So, I definitely wet the whole entire head. It's really good to cut hair wet, I guess. I don't know. I really even just like didn't even show y'all what I was doing right here. I don't know. Go watch Malibu Dollface's video. Like, what are you still doing here trying to watch me do this faux? I mean, you can watch me do the install. Like, I be killing the install, you feel me? I be doing it, my shit on the install. But you think I was just gonna sit up here and show y'all how to cut some hair when I don't even know how to cut no hair? No, baby. So, yeah, I'm gonna just shut up. I really let y'all watch this because it happened. You know, I did it. I was gonna start telling y'all what I did, but no, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that to y'all. I'm gonna just let me finish up and show y'all how I got to installing. I hope this was nice. I hope you like the water spritz bottle. I do love this bottle. It's from Sally's. I might link it below for y'all. That's all I got for you. I got a link for Malibu Dollface's video and a link for that spray bottle and a link to this hair. Jokes aside, I would never, ever recommend to y'all to do what I did and just wing it. You know, I was really winging it. I was thinking I knew what I was doing. Please don't do that. You know, when you spend quality money on a quality wig, not quality money, girl, what is quality money? I'm just talking on my ass. When you spend money on a wig, you don't want to fuck it up. Don't listen to me. Please go click that link in the description and watch Malibu Dollfaces because he knows what he be doing. And he went to school. I ain't go to no school. So I'm just going to hot comb this wig back. And I did end up plucking it off camera. And when I came back, it was ready to install. So yeah, can't emphasize it enough. Don't listen to me. Watch me do this install though, because I'm going to kill that. But don't do what I did. This looks really good. I did bleach the knots already. Let's talk about that. Yeah, I'm going to shut up. We can get to installing this wig. And I'm sorry for misleading you and thinking that you were going to get a quality tutorial out of me. Why would you think that? So yeah, that's what's happened so far. So this is where we're at. I did go ahead and spray some even tinted lace spray on the lace. It is a dark lace. I'm kind of scared for that, but I don't ever plan on wearing this wig again. I've been getting told to do a little pixie cut. I'm inspired by Miranda Priestly from Devil Wears Prada. I want like a chic bob, you know. It's not giving yet. I'm thinking it's because my ears ain't out and the back a little fluffy. But I feel like once I get to styling, hopefully this can turn around a little bit. Not sure, but let's find out. My chair was a little high. All right, here we go. We're a little lower now. You can get a drink of my juice. I've been drinking, this is a Blue Machine from Naked. I'm trying to get my fruits and veggies in, you know. So I only plugged this side, I'm gonna be real. Like, I just knew all this was not gonna be seen. So this look kind of, oh my God, I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. Like, I'm kind of, you know. Start with the side over here, and we can just move forward to the other side. Let's just get started. I'm a little worried, I can't lie. Like, I've never done anything like this before, so you know me, who knows what moves will come out of this video. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and start razoring off the excess lace. I'm gonna make sure I do this in a jagged motion because this lace is not transparent. It's like a medium brown. So I'm gonna make sure it's as jagged as possible, because when it's as jagged as possible, it's less detectable. Yep, cut this into 3 sections. I feel like I'm gonna get some rippling because this frontal seems a little big for my head. But hopefully when we do the elastic band portion, it does its thing under there, so. Okay. And that's just jagged as it's gonna get. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ear tab off as well. Okay, now so I can go ahead. I'm gonna do this in smaller sections because I just feel like this is gonna be a little bit of a more difficult install, so I'm gonna take my time with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start spraying and laying this whole section down, and we can move on to the rest. I went ahead and did this little baby hair real quick because I just want to make myself feel good. But that's fine. This is fine. It's fine. So we're gonna do this other side baby hair. I'm gonna let you guys see this on camera. I don't have nothing to say yet. I'm just trying to keep the energy positive because I don't know where this is going. Before I get started, I'm gonna be using my edge fixer. I got a new scent. It's Lemon Drop. I was on live, and y'all know how I was saying the berry cherry was very cherry. This is a drop of lemon, you feel me? It's not giving how very cherry was. But new scent, new jar, and I'm using some wet line. I'm feeling wet line today, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm not knowing how I'm feeling about this baby hair I put right here. I felt like I thought it was a good idea, but now that it's executed, I'm not too sure about that. And I know that somebody gonna be like, you should have left it without the baby hair in the middle. But like, this lace is dark and I'm trying my best. So, I mean, y'all probably can't tell that the lace is dark. The camera can never tell that the lace is dark because the lights is bright. But as soon as I get out in real life, niggas gonna know that my lace is dark. In the meantime, while my hot coming stuff is heating up, I'm about to just put on some of this edge control stick. I already kind of curled this bang off camera, so I don't know, it's kind of giving what it needs to give. Like, she's showing up today, you know, she showed up to work. I feel like I do want to add some curls to like the side right here so that it's more even on the volume. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw some curls in with my flat iron. Just like little feathers, I guess I'll call them, little curls. Now my lash getting wonky and I done fucked up. See, that's why I ain't want to touch nothing. Here I am fucking stuff up for y'all because I wanted to show y'all what the fuck I done did off camera, but oh, that was better. That's fine. Okay, mad for no reason. Haha, positive energy. I don't know how I feel about this. I tooth comb for like these kind of feathers anyway, so I'm gonna just move it up and run it back with my wonky lash. Got some concealer in the part now. My LA girl. Okay, so I went outside to my pictures after my camera had died and I let it charge up a little bit. I got settled in the look and now I'm kind of feeling it. I got over this spot trying to, it laid right. Now I feel like it looks like it makes sense. Before I feel like it wasn't looking like it made sense. It might have just been in my head. It might have looked just like this. I'm glad I maintained positive energy because I'm just not trying to be a bad bitch no more. Like, it's not cute. It's not fun. I'm sure y'all don't like watching that. I mean, it might be funny every now and again, but like every video, bitch, you got an attitude. Like, so I'm glad we actively worked against having a bad attitude and look at the outcome. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already seen the look, but go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Beauty via JaLeah. I'm trying to hit 20K. If I don't get 20K before the end of the month, I'm gonna know something. I'm gonna know that y'all ain't fucking with me how y'all say y'all's fucking with me, because why aren't y'all following me on Instagram? It's the same ad. All my ads on every platform are the same thing, so why aren't you following me? Like, let's make it make sense. You watching my videos, you be commenting. Where's the Instagram follow? Hope I did Miranda Priestly some justice, and I think that's all. Hopefully I mentioned the voiceover, but this hair is from Nadula Hair if I didn't, and yeah, this is a cute little shortcut. They never thought they'd see me in a shortcut. They never thought that would happen, but here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.